good day, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, wherever you're watching me from. So we're back again for chart analysis for the week, right? So today we have jump 100 on our list. We have a couple of them though. The one that is still very close to playing out is jump 100, and I'm already in the trade already though. So here is a breakdown of the analysis I did on jump 100. So first, I would do it with a higher time frame, check the trend of the market at the moment. Well, the market is kind of in a box though, and that's why you are not exceeding this point. Then you come down. Yeah. So I saw a short buy in the middle, and that's why I'm just risking this trade. Understand? So we'll go to lower time frame like 4 hours. Then we have our zones to be here, right? We have one here. Market didn't get to this point though, so market broke this other one, then this other one, I'll just send it. So okay, we have this, then we have this zone here, then let's duplicate it somewhere around here. Okay, aside from this though, so things I look out for the moment I saw this candle, when you see a 4-hour pressure candle to your direction, what is the next thing you're expecting? You're expecting a bounce back, a retest, which it has done here, right? And when you see another 4-hour candle, what is you looking for? You're looking for a bounce back, which has happened around here, right? So on a lower time frame, we are looking at something like this, like a trend line to confirm your. But I wanted to enter yesterday, but it did not retest. It didn't give me that retest, right? So I let it slide, and I don't want to enter aggressively, like entering without confirmation. I was supposed to see a retest to here, then push my first TP here, right? But I didn't see that, so I had to wait. Everything's all about waiting for the market to give you that confirmation. So presently now, although I'm in the market already, then gave me this, so I will then mark this zone, and you can see if you go to a much lower time frame, like 5 minutes, you can see the retest here. It has done the retest. Then at least, bad as it will be like this, the market will reach here as our first level target, which is first TP, right? And our second TP is there, which is the 4-hour TP. So what I do normally is, when the market gets to your first TP, I either TP or I break even, right? Either TP or I break even, either of the two, just to lock in the profits and wait for the market to head to the final TP, right? So I'm currently in the trade, which is jump 100, you can see. So next on our agenda, I think I have a couple of them. I have jump 50. Yeah, this is jump 50. As usual, confirm your confirm your trend. You can see this market has been in nasty range for some days now, right? All of these, what is it, all of this stuff here not giving us a clear direction. A retest to this thing though, right? So and it has broken it, and we are heading to this point. We are heading to this point, so we have a long way to go. I'm just waiting for the market to give us a proper retest on 4 hours. So what am I expecting on this 4 hour time frame? I'm expecting the market to at least get to this zone, right? Gets to this zone, give me a 4 hour rejection candle and break of trend line. So I'm expecting the market to give me a trend line like this, something like this. I can draw that will look like this, then a break of this trend line, then 4 hour rejection candle and a break of this trend line. Then I'm good. Then our first TP is going to be here, then our second TP is going to roll down to, depending on, roll down to this point. But this is our final there's a reason I marked this on a weekly time frame, right? I marked it on a weekly time frame. So for this one, this could be for next week though. Today is Wednesday already. This could be for next week. It could be earlier than that, you can't say. So let's move to the next one. Crash 900. Yeah, I think I analyzed this the last time. I'm expecting this market to get to this zone because it has given us this daily pressure candle. And what are we expecting after that? A rebound, a retest of that zone. I want it to retest this zone, right? Give me a rejection 4 hour candle, a rejection 4 hour candle around here on this zone, and a break of this trend line. Break this trend line right to this point, retest, and we'll fire down, right? So it's as simple as that. I don't waste time on analyze. Most of this thing is has to do with you being patient. I think we have V25 1S, also the same thing, right? Expecting the market to retest to this zone, then we fire down. But for now we are still waiting. And the last one, last but not the least, okay, not the last one, the same thing goes for this, expecting a retest to this zone. Then all this market, I think we have a long way to go for these ones. I'm doing the only one I have short potential is the one I'm currently in, which is 1:2 thereabout. So this is pretty simple. It's no much analysis on it. All you need to do, just check your daily time frame, confirm the trend of the market, where the market is heading, confirm where the market's destination. Then you mark your levels with your 4 hour time frames and candlestick confirmations. You'll be able to at least check and confirm your entries, right? Candlestick formation to confirm your entries. So for now, we're just crossing our hands and waiting for the markets to do normal. So we are currently in this and we are waiting for the market to do the needful. Alright guys, that's that about that for today, 29th of July 2026. And our bootcamp can be happening soon, first, second and third. So do well to join us and be part of the amazing program. Alright guys, till meet again maybe tomorrow for another chart analysis.